Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey everybody, I am the Jordan and I'm doing a song today. I'm doing a song about the trampoline that I got the other day. Just been working out, just jumping up, and I jump on my feet today. When I'm doing my trampoline, I'm over here. Some people saying what you saying. Saying, hey, do you get a trampoline? Saying, I'm over here just jumping on my trampoline. Trampoline. Saying, hey, do you get a trampoline? Trampoline. But still, I'm over here doing this on my trampoline. Trampoline. Saying Trampoline. Trampoline. Saying yes, I'm over here having fun with my fitness on my trampoline. Saying Trampoline. Trampoline. Some people's over here just having a fun on a trampoline. You could jump, you could hop, you could skip, and you do everything on your trampoline. Some people, let me tell you, I'm over here working on my trampoline. Just to work all that body, moving my muscle as I jumping up and down. Saying yes, I'm talking about my trampoline. Do you know how we get down on my trampoline? Hey, I'm on my trampoline. Hey, I'm on my trampoline. If you know what I mean. I'm on my trampoline. I'm on my trampoline. Oh yeah, I'm on my trampoline. If you know about me, I said that when I jump and you will jump and we jumping on a trampoline. We doing jumping jacks every time over here when I'm on my trampoline. I'm doing high knee butt kicks, everything, and I also do a torso twist. I'm over here just rocking it out, but I'm on my trampoline. On my trampoline. Hey, I'm on my trampoline. Oh, I'm on my trampoline. If you join with me, I'm on my trampoline. Oh yeah, I'm on my trampoline. Oh yeah, I'm on my trampoline. And you jump with me, Saying Trampoline, trampoline. Saying yes, you over here doing your thing while we on the trampoline. Just working out for a couple minutes, maybe 15, some going 1 hour. But we over here just doing our thing while we on a trampoline. I'm saying, hey, I'm on my trampoline today. I'm saying, hey, do you want to go and work your way? I'm saying, hey, I'm doing this thing my way. I'm on my trampoline, and you can do it today. I'm saying the trampoline. Saying you can jump up and down and have some fun on your trampoline. Saying when we lean to the right right and left while we jump on a trampoline. So you can have fun on your trampoline and you own it on me. Saying trampoline, I jumped the trampoline. I wanna have fun on my trampoline. So when I say we jump today, so let me tell you